Hey guys, how y'all doing? Shantae McLean here, back again to bring you another video. Hope everyone has had an amazing day today. So let's get right to it, guys. Hopefully I won't make this video too long. But in this video, I want to talk to you again about the Infinity Processing System. Today I want to talk about the 200 pre-written ads that you receive inside of Infinity Processing System. So before I get into that, I'm actually going to show you because it all depends on what level you join as to how many pre-written ads you receive. So I just want to kind of show you so you know what to expect. So if you join at the starter level, you're going to receive 30 marketing ads and 20 bonus image ads. If you join at the elite level, you're going to receive 100 pre-written ads and 40 bonus images. And if you're at the pro level, that's where you will get the 200 pre-written ads and you'll get the 60 bonus images. So with that being said, I am at the pro level, so I get the 200 converting ads. Okay, so once you get inside of the system and you going through everything, you're gonna get here to this tab that says 200 pre-written ads, and it just says ad copy for your marketing and image ads. Okay, so what happens is once you click on this, it's gonna take you here where there's gonna be a video where she is going to tell you about these ads and how to post them and where to and where to post them to see results online. This video is about 5 minutes long, but yeah, she shows you, where to post them and how to post them to get the maximum results. So it's very important that you watch this video first before you post any of these ads. So why I love this, and this is one of the reasons why I joined with Infinity Processing System, is because I liked a lot of the things that was inside of the system. And like for me, I used to always want to post ads, but I never knew like what I want to say. I didn't want to sound like I was selling, but at the same time, I wanted something that would attract someone to what I had to offer. So that's what kind of piqued my interest about this. And then once I got inside the system and I saw the ads, I was like, okay, this is what I've been looking for. So I'm just going to do like a super quick run through of the ads. Now, like I said, I do get the 200, but these are the pre-written ads, and these ads really do convert, guys. So this is the, I'm just going through, it's 200 of them. I'm just breezing through them. And then you also, these are the bonus image ads. So you get images, with these ads. And then Adriana has actually added some new ads to our system as well. I don't know why my internet acting up. As of, I think, last week or week before last. So these are the newer ads that got added. But yeah, there's a video that's going to show you where to post these ads to get the best results. I'm sorry, my internet is crazy, y'all. It's tripping. But yeah, so these are the ads. And they are very high converting. Now, I just wanted to kind of just show you that, I'm sorry. I don't know what's this all about. Let me drop that down. I just want to show you real quick that I did post, just show you an example of, like, I use Facebook. So I posted one of them on Facebook, and I just do this every day. I go on and see, this is one of the ads I posted on my Facebook. I follow what she said do. So what you want to do, the best thing to do is pick a platform and then post it everywhere you can on that platform. So for me, I chose Facebook. So posted it, on my feed on Facebook. I did also do it on my story, on my Facebook story. So that's another suggestion. Like, this is one of mine. I posted on my Facebook story. Could have been a little bigger, but yeah, I used it and put it on my Facebook story. And so what you want to do, and what's super important about these ads, is you want to follow exactly what she says, and you want to make sure you are posting these ads every single day. That is the key, because with anything that you're doing as far as posting and dealing with your business, you need to do it every single day. And so with these ads, it's really important that you're doing them every day. Okay, and you're posting them, like I posted them on here, I put them on Instagram, you know what I'm saying? So just put them wherever you can, and wherever you're at. Oh, in groups. I put them in my Facebook groups too, y'all. That's another thing that you do get inside of Infinity Processing as well. You get access. Now I got to go all the way back up to the top, y'all, with this crazy thing. But you get access. Oh, I can just show you in the, let me show you right here. In here, you see where it shows you that you get 30 groups with the starter. You get 60 Facebook groups with the elite, and you get 100 Facebook groups with the pro. That's what I do. I go inside
Messenger audio.
I'm not gonna answer no messenger now. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to do this video on somebody calling me. But yeah, so inside of here, I'm sorry, they threw me off trying to call me on Messenger. I hate when people do that. But yeah, inside of the system, you also get the access to the Facebook group. So I take those ads and I post them in Facebook groups. And what I usually do, because Facebook is so finicky and picky about, they quick to shut you down, put you in jail. I do like 5, maybe midday and 5 at night, or sometimes I just do maybe 10 in a day. But I try not to do too many, but I post ads. I post the ads in different Facebook groups, and there's some really good Facebook groups inside of Infinity. So I was gonna kind of not really show you the groups. I was just gonna show you where to find that here. Let me see. Hold on. Hold on. Where is it? Facebook Mastery. Yeah. So you got 100 Facebook groups. So she gives you 100 groups that you can go and ask to join, and then you can take those ads and post them in the groups. So like I say, it all works. You just have to make sure you stay consistent with it. Actually, when I was looking for an opportunity before I found Infinity, I was following this other lady, and there was a young lady on her team that had started making commissions. She had just started making commissions for the very first time, and she said, "Well, what were you doing? What type of methods did you use to make your commissions?" And she said, "All I did was post on my Facebook story." She said, "I just took what you said, the ad you said, and I post on my Facebook story every day." And she was like, "That's all I do." She said, "Because I'm not a marketer, I really don't know what I'm doing." She said, "But I just was posting on Facebook stories, and I made sales." So I make sure I post on my Instagram story and my Facebook story. So I just wanted to get on here and just show you those ads, and show you that that you really do get the 200 ads, and those ads are very high converting. And like I say, if you follow what she tells you in the video, post them what she tells you to post them at, and just sit back and wait for the results. Definitely just post them. It's no time frame on when the results are going to happen, because like I say, I follow people who said, like the girl who said she posted in Facebook stories, she said it took her 60 days before she made her first sale. So you just focus on making sure you get them ads posted, and if everything goes as planned, the results will come in, as long as you're being consistent. I'm not guaranteeing income or anything, but what I'm saying is consistency does pay off. So just focus on posting these ads and just sit back and wait for the results. So that's all I got for y'all for today. Just stay tuned to the next video for me. Now if you like what you see and you're interested in Infinity Processing System, then check the comment section in Facebook if you're on Facebook, and then if you're on YouTube, just look into the description, and I'll have the link in the description where you can join. And please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and show me some love. I hope this video was helpful to somebody, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Y'all have a good night.